Okay, this is zone disc lock. I'll just show you that working. There's the key. Show that's locked up as best as I can. I've got a couple of these. Not bad, nothing special. Normally not too difficult to pick. The zone ones, obviously Abbas are a lot better, but we're going to have a go at this zone anyway. So here we go. What I'm going to do is have a go at single pin picking it, give you as good an angle as I can for this. There you go. Quite straightforward. They're not always as easy as that, to be honest. Look, I'll lock it up now. Not always as easy as that. Sometimes it'll take me longer. There you go. Zone disc lock, single pin picked.